This is a quick update on the solar battery charger. The vehicle has been sitting for a week and I had trouble starting it. Thank goodness I had the Vector jumpstarter, which I'll include in the description, to jumpstart. So I've got it on the battery charger here. This battery's from O'Reilly's and it's a super start, 700 cold cranking amps. And this is the Vector battery charger I've had forever, probably the last 20 years. They don't even make it anymore, but it just goes to show you the quality from Vector products. It's right now charging at 10.7 amps. Yeah, so this battery was pretty darn low. So hey, I learned something. The solar battery charger helps, but it's always good to have a jump starter to bail you out and a battery charger just in case. I'll include all the links in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.